Hello YouTube, it's Jake and Kyle again, and today we're going to be bringing you a comparison on our Rosso dirt bike and our Mototec dirt bike. We kind of wanted to do this just to give you a feel of which one is better, or a look at which one's better and what would be better for you, because they're both great dirt bikes for different reasons. The Rosso has more power and speed, but the Mototec has more comfort and you just feel better on it. The Rosso has, it doesn't feel right. The Mototec feels comfortable when you're riding it, but the Mototec does not have much power at all when you're riding it. The Rosso has a lot of power, as to the point where you can almost go up hills quite well. So we're gonna do some riding in the yard. We'll strap a helmet to strap the camera to our helmet and give some comparisons. So yeah. So before he goes, I just want to point out that I don't know how high the Mototec prices have gone, but they are about the same price, and this one is definitely faster and more powerful. It's just, if you want that, it's probably the same price. It's just not, I guess, as well made. It's kind of just not really thrown together, but there's still, the battery's kind of open and everything like that. It's still a great bike though, very dependable. And yeah. So now we're going to do it with Kyle. He is lighter, and there probably isn't going to be as big of a difference. So yeah.